Do you ever feel like your makeup routine is actually making you look older rather than fresher? It's a common struggle. As we age, our features naturally lose volume and gain sharpness. The instinct is often to cover everything up with heavy matte products. But today, we are going to do the exact opposite. We are going to soften. I'm going to show you how to trade harsh lines for soft diffusion to take years off your face. The philosophy here is simple: hydration, light reflection, and upward momentum. Let's start with the most critical step that happens before makeup: the prep. Think of your skin like a sponge. A dry sponge is hard and textured, but a wet sponge is plump, smooth, and bounces back. We need to saturate your skin with hydration to smooth out fine lines immediately. I recommend using a glycerin or hyaluronic acid-based serum while your skin is still damp. Massage this in upwards. This boosts circulation and wakes up the face. Don't forget the under eye area. This is where makeup tends to crease the fastest. Now, let's talk about foundation. The goal is to even out skin tone, not mask it. Heavy, full coverage matte foundations can settle into pores and make you look flat. Instead, opt for a skin tint, a serum foundation, or a tinted moisturizer. Apply it with a damp beauty sponge. The moisture in the sponge helps shear out the product. Press it into the skin. Don't drag. Pressing merges the product with your skin barrier. If you have blemishes or age spots, spot conceal them specifically. Let your natural skin texture shine through where you don't need coverage. That implies youth. Now for the under eyes. The old way was drawing a giant triangle of light concealer. That adds too much texture and weight to the center of your face. Instead, we use the lift technique. Less is truly more here. Place a small upward dash at the outer corner of the eye to lift the features, and a tiny dot of concealer at the inner corner to neutralize darkness. Blend the outer corner upward toward the temple. It's an instant optical illusion. This highlights the high points of the face without creating a mask. Let's move to contour. We want to avoid harsh, dark stripes on the cheeks. Harsh contour hollows out the face, which can make you look gaunt and older. Switch to a cream contour stick that is only 1 or 2 shades deeper than your skin. When it comes to cheeks, apply this right under the zygomatic bone. To create a natural shadow, blend it using a small makeup brush. Keep the darker pigment outer, and blend upwards. Do not use a big brush here. We want precision to avoid blending the shadow too far down. Now that you have perfect structure, it is time for warmth with a bronzer. Use a cream bronzer that is 1 or 2 shades deeper than your skin for a second skin finish. Apply this where the sun naturally hits, the tops of the cheeks, nose, forehead, and chin. Then blend your bronzer by tapping. This melts the product into the skin without moving your base. Now, let's tackle the eyebrows. Brows frame the face, but they can also harden it. Avoid the Instagram brow, blocky, dark, and squared off. A soft, fluffy, slightly straighter brow signals youthfulness. Use a pencil that is 1 shade lighter than your natural hair color. Focus on the sparse areas only. You don't need to draw a whole new brow. Brush the hairs upward with a clear brow gel to open up the eye area. If your brows naturally tailed downward, don't fill in the very end. It drags the eye down. Moving on to the eyes. The goal is definition without harsh borders. Black liquid liner is often too severe for a softening routine. It creates a hard boundary that closes the eye off. Swap your black liner for a dark brown, plum, or charcoal gray pencil. These colors provide definition but are much softer on the complexion. Try the tight lining technique. Run the pencil into your upper lash line. This makes your lashes look twice as thick without taking up lid space. For the lid, use a cream shadow in a champagne or soft top color. Cream shadows are more forgiving on textured lids than powders. Apply it with your finger and smudge it slightly past the outer corner. This creates a soft haze rather than a sharp wing. If you want liner on the lid, smudge it out immediately with a small brush. A smoked-out lash line looks romantic and makes the eyes appear larger. Curl your lashes. This is non-negotiable for opening up the eyes. As we age, our lashes tend to straighten out, shading the eye. Use a lengthening mascara rather than a clumpy volumizing one. Focus the mascara on the center and outer lashes for a fluttery effect. Avoid putting mascara on the lower lashes if you have dark circles. Lower lash mascara can cast shadows and drag the face downward. Let's talk about blush. This is the secret weapon for a youthful look. As we lose volume in our cheeks, blush helps simulate that fullness. Switch from powder blush to a cream or liquid formula. Powders can look dry and sit on top of skin texture. Creams melt into the skin and look like a natural flush from within. Placement is everything. Do not smile and apply to the apples. When you stop smiling, your face relaxes and that blush drops down. Instead, keep your face neutral and apply blush high on the cheekbones. Blend it back towards the hairline, almost where you put your highlighter. This creates a lifted, snatched look that defies gravity. Choose fresh colors like peach, coral, or rose. Avoid mauve or muddy brown blushes, which can look like bruising. A pop of color signifies vitality and blood flow. Now for the lips. Our lips lose pigment and definition over time. We want to create a pillowy, soft pout. Avoid dark, matte liquid lipsticks. They shrink the lips visually. Use a lip liner that is the same shade as your lips or one shade darker. Overline slightly at the cupid's bow, but follow your natural line at the corners. Here is the trick. Use your finger to smudge the liner inward. We don't want a harsh ring around the mouth. We want a blurred edge. A blurred lip line mimics how children's lips look naturally full. Top it off with a tinted balm or a hydrating gloss. Gloss reflects light, making the lips look 3D and plump. Matte textures absorb light and flatten the features. If you have vertical lip lines, gloss helps disguise them. Finally, setting the makeup. We want to set, not bake. Avoid baking with thick powder under the eyes. It creates crepey skin. Take a small fluffy brush and use a tiny amount of translucent powder. Only powder the T-zone, the forehead, nose, and chin. Leave the cheeks and perimeter of the face glowing. This strategic powdering keeps you looking polished, not greasy. To finish, use a setting spray, ideally a dewy or luminous one. This melts all the layers together, cream, liquid, and powder. It removes that powdery look and brings the skin back to life. And there you have it, a routine focused on softening, not hiding. Notice how there are no harsh lines. Everything transitions seamlessly. Your eyes look brighter, your skin looks plumper, and you look like you. Makeup should be a tool to enhance your vitality, not mask it. Try these tips out and let me know which one made the biggest difference. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty deep dives. Stay beautiful, stay soft, and I'll see you in the next one.